This natural cream reduces wrinkles and fine lines around the mouth and neck, helping women in their 40s achieve smoother, firmer, and more youthful-looking skin like 20 years old. First, we will need some bay leaves. Grind the bay leaves in a grinder to make a smooth powder. Then grind some star anise to make a fine powder as well. Once both ingredients are ground, take 1 cup of olive oil in a glass jar and add 1 tablespoon of each powder. Close the jar tightly. Place the jar in a saucepan for a water bath over medium heat for 10 minutes. After that, strain the mixture using a strainer or a cotton cloth. Then add 1 tablespoon of castor oil and mix well. You can store this mixture in the refrigerator for up to 30 days. How to use: apply this oil to your face and massage gently for 5 minutes. Leave it on for 10 minutes, then wash it off. Use this daily and you will be amazed by the results in just 7 days. Women who are 40 years old can look 30 when they apply this cream. It completely reduces wrinkles, expression lines at the edges of the mouth, and wrinkles on the neck. To begin, we will need 1 banana. Peel the banana and cut it into pieces as shown in the demonstration. Put the banana pieces into an electric blender and blend well until they turn into a smooth puree. Then add 1 tablespoon of this paste to a bowl and mix in 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Mix well. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of yogurt and mix thoroughly. Now our magical cream is ready. How to use it: apply it to your face and massage it gently into your skin. Repeat this process daily for 15 days. You'll be amazed by the results in just 5 days of use. Grow your hairs in just 10 days with this simple natural recipe. This recipe is for all hair type. Bookmark this video before it disappears. First, we will need 1 onion. Cut the onion into small pieces, as onion helps stimulate hair growth. Once the onion is cut, put it into a saucepan. Then add 1 tablespoon of rice and 1 tablespoon of cloves to the saucepan. Cloves help to lengthen and thicken hair quickly. Lastly, add 1 tablespoon of rosemary and 1 cup of water. Let it boil over low heat for 5 minutes while stirring continuously. Once boiled, strain the mixture with the help of a strainer. While the mixture is still hot, add 1 tablespoon of instant coffee and mix well. Then let it cool for 10 minutes. You can store this mixture in the refrigerator for up to 30 days. Transfer it into a spray bottle, spray it on your scalp, and massage well for 10 minutes. Wash it off afterward. Use this daily for 15 days, and you will be amazed by the results. Women at 60 can look as young as a 20-year-old girl with this natural cream. It helps erase wrinkles, remove dullness, and make your skin glow. Bookmark this video before it disappears. For this recipe, first we need rice flour. Put 1 tablespoon of rice flour in a bowl. Rice flour helps remove wrinkles, tightens pores, and gives you a brighter complexion. Then we need an egg. Crack the egg and separate the yolk. We will only use the egg white. Put the egg white in the bowl and mix well with the help of an electric mixer. This cream works by exfoliating your skin and helps remove dullness and dark spots. How to use it: apply this to your face in the evening, preferably before sleeping, and leave it on for 15 minutes. Then wash it off and repeat this process daily for 1 month. You may notice visible results after just 7 days of regular use. You can store this in the fridge for up to 15 days.